You don't have a right to walk into my house. You don't have a right to do that. No, you do not. This is tribal property. This is tribal property.
You have no jurisdiction with tribes whatsoever.
You may not know, and I'm
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Yep. It ain't gonna be a lawsuit.
Please step out of my house.
Police officers tried to enter a home on Native American land. They had no warrant, a legal paper that gives police permission to enter someone's home. The police came because of something that happened at a school involving the family's son. The homeowner said no. He told the officers, "Clearly, you do not have a warrant. You cannot come in." This made the officers angry. They then detained the whole family, meaning they stopped everyone from leaving or moving freely. But the officers made a big mistake. This family knew their rights. They were not going to be pushed around. Keep reading to find out how this family stood up for themselves and forced the officers to leave.
It's a federal.
Is this your son?
Yes, this is Tushka Humak. I'm live. Standing here, the police have invaded the property. I need all of my people to locate on this location.
That is a federal
I'm
violation.
at 5902 Winthrop Boulevard.
No, I'm not
5902 Winthrop Boulevard.
That's a federal violation. You can't do that.
We have a trespass going on, and it's live. And this is the trespasser.
I need you, excuse me, I need you to step outside my house, please.
We've asked you more than once.
I'm not going to ask anymore.
We came over here to talk to you.
Okay, I understand that. I need you to step outside my house.
Talk.
I need you. I understand that.
Let him talk.
But
Let him talk.
But
Talk.
he doesn't have
Talk.
any right to.
Talk.
You don't have any right
I
to.
can't hear everybody talking.
I understand, but I'm
Let's let him talk.
talking.
Let's let him talk.
I'm
Let's
talking.
let him
though.
talk.
I'm talking. You don't have a right. You don't have a right to walk into my house. You don't have a right to do that. No, you do not. This is tribal property. This is tribal property.
You have no jurisdiction with tribes whatsoever.
You may not know, and I'm
Yeah,
trying
buddy.
to understand you.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Yep.
Please
It ain't
step
gonna be a
out of my house.
lawsuit.
Please step out of my house.
I'm not.
It's gonna be.
I want you to I want you outside of my house.
I'm not going to step out of your house.
Okay.
Hey,
We're not.
hey, get over here. Call the FBI right now.
You can
Call the
whatever you
FBI.
want.
You're damn right.
You don't want the FBI to investigate.
Oh, yes, I do.
Your child
Yes.
made a threat, which you knew about.
Yes, I want them to investigate.
No, I did not know about. We didn't find out until.
I'm aware. I just called the school, buddy.
Okay.
So I'm aware of what's going
Some
on.
of this,
Yeah,
right?
you know.
Right?
800.
You are totally correct. I am fully aware.
Who are you? Who are you?
This-
The police don't even have any.
This is my family.
Over me, period. Over
Call the FBI on your phone, Copper.
It always has to be someone federal, and you are not federal.
Okay, I understand you have a side of this that you want on air.
I just don't
And
want.
you
I don't
guys-
want my rights violated. You
we
don't
don't-
want your rights violated. I don't want my
Absolutely. We
rights
also don't want
violated.
anybody hurt
I
about
understand
the
that.
threat your
I
son
understand that.
did,
I
right?
understand that 100%.
So you would want us to protect your son.
I understand that 100%.
Don't talk to her. Don't talk to her.
But you just don't have the right to welcome yourself into my property. You violated. You
Well, that's your
violated
take
my
on it.
rights.
That's
It's not
your
my
side, right?
take. It's not
And
my
that would be
take.
for a judge, right?
I have
That's your side.
booklets that will show you this.
Okay.
You're in violation, man.
Well, then I guess you're gonna sue me, right?
No, I'm gonna make sure you go to jail and lose that
Then I guess
badge.
you're gonna maybe go to jail. Mm-hmm. But right now,
You ain't gonna be gangster.
you gotta allow us to do what we think is right.
What you think is right.
And just and safe.
We are Native Americans. You don't have any. You don't have any. Okay. Well, I'm trying to let you know
That your law has no
you're violating my
jurisdiction
rights.
here.
I'm trying to explain that to you. That you're violating my rights.
All we have right now is a bunch of people yelling and screaming.
I know that. I understand. I'm not screaming and I'm not yelling.
We need to secure it so we need more
Man,
questions.
wait, you already
Excuse
did.
me?
They got as many as they're coming.
So
You feel me? Like,
all we're trying to do is talk to you, and all of a sudden you got
I
courage
don't
once
care.
they came
It
up.
wasn't
and you
even that.
started
'Cause I
yelling.
told you. I said this
You
wasn't
were
even my
cooperating the
crib.
first part of
It
this.
wasn't. I said, listen, bro.
You
This ain't
were
this.
great.
I'm not the homeowner, gang. You said I still gotta walk through. I still gotta walk. I said, don't walk through they shit.
I would think-
you
I
start
would
walking.
think that-
So I said, all right, I'm calling. You seen me? I was gangster about it. I said, I'm calling.
Gangster?
I don't want to hear about it. Gangster.
How do you know he was? You weren't here.
I was here. I left flat out. That's all. Gangster about
And
it.
it doesn't
There
even.
wasn't
That's
an issue before you
because.
guys got
But
here.
that
You
wasn't
can
even
talk to us
because.
about this. We can explain it, but every time we start talking,
'Cause we don't
you
wanna hear it.
interrupt us.
I'd like to.
That's
I'd like to hear what he's got to say.
That's not true. I am listening. That's why
I want
can't
to film it
listen.
all. I want it all on tape. I want for all the people to
Be
see.
all on the report and all on your tape, and
We don't
you can seek the justice you want afterwards.
And they can
So,
see this too.
That's fine.
We can.
Okay. I heard what else you said. So what now?
Okay. So if you don't want to consent to a search, that's fine. You have that right.
No.
We are going to obtain a search warrant.
We don't gotta
Okay.
have that.
And that's fine. We'll go through that process. I think you know about how that works.
None of that.
That's up to you.
We don't.
Okay. So I heard you say that too. So okay. Now what though?
Well,
None of that.
we're gonna go to that part of it.
Excuse me?
We'll get to that part of it here in a second.
What do you mean? I don't.
I'm gonna detain everyone in here, and we're gonna go get a search warrant.
You can't detain
It
us.
is how it works.
You can't detain tribal people.
Okay.
I'm the realest. What? Blah, 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 blah.
Why is there?
You guys just heard this?
Why is there so many people coming into my house?
They're saying that they're going to detain me.
I am not yelling. Why? I want to know why. I don't.
They're going to detain Tushka Humak Sheila.
Whether he's yelling or not, this is our home.
understand.
Okay, this is tribal property. You cannot come onto tribal property. You can't.
You gotta have a warrant. You gotta have a warrant.
Okay.
No,
but
gonna
I-
is past in future.
But I am the one for this house.
That's cool. You stay.
You will.
Stay. Stay. I'm gonna burn you this time, little lady.
Gang, gang,
I'm gonna burn you. For the past, yo, no, you don't.
I'm to blame.
No, you don't. Not now, you don't.
Blame everybody in this shit. I already told them. Now they think they gangsters.
There's no reason to take this situation.
And then you
Call Attorney General Fluker and let her know that we have a legal situation going on right here.
Viral, boy. You going viral, boy.
Okay.
Why is that? What is he? Don't get the tearing up.
Don't get the touch. Don't do that.
Y'all, that's
Don't
so
do that.
unnecessary.
Don't do that. I don't touch that. That's Versace. Don't do that. That's you heard that. Versace. Don't touch that.
Until y'all
Look
can
how he
wait
look.
for whatever it is that y'all wait
First
for,
day of school.
I want y'all to wait outside of my
We're not
house.
waiting outside.
Man, you looking goofy.
You don't get to tell me what you want to do
Right
with
now
my
I do.
house. Why?
Because that's how.
You looking goofy.
That's
as
how
hell.
what
You
works.
looking lame
Keeps
as hell.
everybody safe.
That's police
What do
policy?
you mean it keeps everybody safe?
Is that police policy?
No, it's not a
You can get all
policy.
that information later. Right?
Oh no, I'm getting it right now. I'm getting it right now, brother. I'm getting it right now.
You looking real goofy.
Because you're acquiescing. You don't have the policy to even be inside this property right now, and you know that. And neither do you.
A thick ass.
You don't have the policy.
With your freaky ass.
And this little lady, I'm gonna tear your ass out the frame, baby. Yep. You look like you got AIDS or something. You lost weight?
Skinny ass.
Does it make you feel better?
Man, shut your ass up. We don't want to hear that.
It makes me good to say whatever is on my mind.
Flat out. Boy,
That's what makes you feel better.
It does.
fat bitches.
It does.
Yeah.
But she looks very
We
sickly
don't wanna hear that.
since the last time that we came in
I
contact,
don't want to hear that.
when she put her hands on me illegally,
What you doing?
and I just let it slide.
I heard the sheriff.
Man, don't know you ain't heard
You did what
that.
now?
Look at these.
I've got 2 pair of
goofy
pants on,
ass
baby.
fucking
You interested in me? You interested in me?
Thick ass shit on
Why?
his neck. This motherfucker got a hickey on
What?
back of his neck.
I can't wear 2 pair of pants?
Hell, like you,
Oh, so now you want to judge what I'm wearing?
you freaky as hell.
Yeah, you're damn right they are.
You have something else?
Man, we don't want to hear none of that.
Now,
You're envious.
Man, we don't want to show you nothing.
Be that way, boy.
And that's a weak ass heat you got on your head.
That name? What's your badge number?
I'm not trying to stand for that.
Yes.
but-
And that's a weak ass heat.
because how can I talk
No,
to
the
you?
office is supposed to provide it under the law. It's state law.
It's very
Okay.
good. Good way of messaging.
All right.
We don't want to hear that.
What's your badge number, ma'am?
But I don't
You know I do.
I don't want to give you
I'm gonna make it different.
Got you
I'm the realest
too.
nigga ever. I'm gonna make it different for you.
especially with your jurisdiction. You don't
See,
have any
you don't have jurisdiction.
over tribal people.
Showing the law right there to you.
You don't have any jurisdiction.
I'm gonna wear khaki pants with a blue shirt today,
All the right way.
babe. We don't want to hear that
Do it
shit.
all the right way.
I'm sure you will.
If we're doing it all the right way, you've already violated our rights.
Well, that's your side of it. Right?
There's not.
That's not
We even
judged
have it on.
today.
We
That's
even
judged
This
down the
motherfucker
have
road.
washed
it.
up
It's-
That's judged
with
down the road.
conditioner.
And the judge knows that. Then
He breaking
So
out.
He knows.
You going viral today. You fucked up. Then it's like, why you got swords on your hand and you an officer?
I got
Explain that. You ain't get cut. Explain that. It's a pandemic. Explain that.
You
Boy,
probably,
you know what that means. Quit playing like that. Blah, blah, blah. You need to get that motherfucking drug test. Flat out. That's, yeah, we going all the way there. You want to play like that? We is. You need to get drop tested because it look like you been fucking with that shit, boy. You been fucking around with that shit.
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
No.
I don't get it either. I don't fuck with that shit.
You guys aren't paying the bills,
Like,
and he is going
don't even worry about it.
It
Don't even worry
is a
about it.
kid right here. We
Like,
are very close.
they may have COVID. We don't want them to be caught up in here with us like that.
You been fucking with that shit, boy. Look at his fucking hand. He trying to stand still. Look at his fucking hand. It look like he been hitting that shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't give a fuck. He's sitting here like, I
Sounds
swear to
pretty
God.
intelligent.
I don't give a fuck about it being intelligent. You in the hood right now. You know where you at. You know where the door you knocked in, motherfucker. You know what the fuck you doing, boy? Don't act crazy in this motherfucker. No. Yeah, okay. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Y'all know what the fuck going on. You up in this bitch looking like, yeah, like gang on her. They on this bitch flaming. Get your ass out this motherfucker.
What was that?
Don't know.
Hear that shit? And you next. You're next. Beam his ass.
I'm good now.
Flame your ass. You next. What you gotta say for yourself? It's your first day, ain't it? You from a while, so ain't it? Your teeth fucked up. They need to fix your shit. They don't pay you enough to stand in front of my shit. Stay cheap.
Don't touch me.
Oh shit!
Don't touch me.
Hey, little lady, you can't be walking up on my wife like that. What's the problem? What's the problem?
Hey, gangster! Your name, Miss Dick Lee. You better back the fuck up.
You can do whatever you want.
Your name is Dick Lee. And what your name is? Man, get your ass out. I don't want to hear that bullshit. Bald neck ass motherfucker. And you got the tightest skelly cap on ever.
No, it's okay.
Your teeth fucked up too.
You let them know that you ran into Tishka Humak today again.
Nigga.
Little lady, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, little lady. I'm gonna burn you out the frame.
Where is my son at?
It's okay. We're gonna deal with that
Where
immediately.
is my son?
You're holding a tribal citizen, and you've not communicated with the tribe. You're out of order. You're out of jurisdiction. I'm gonna burn you.
And you have no right to have
I'm gonna
my
burn
son.
you.
So if y'all have him, y'all need to put him back where the fuck y'all got him from.
Mama, they don't have him. They looking for Mom. They don't have him. They looking for him. That's why they came here.
That's not true. And I'ma sue that motherfucking school. You don't motherfucking.
Dre Mile, come on. We good, Dre. We know you the gorilla, man.
Like they gotta see the video. I don't walk into the like they playing stupid like that. Why they playing like that?
They was in Daniel room?
Yes, they went all through the house. They went through all the doors. They opened
the
up
door.
everything.
In the United States, state laws do not apply on tribal land. Only federal laws apply there. In this case, no federal crime had taken place. That means the police had no legal right to enter the home or detain anyone. By showing up without a warrant and trying to detain the whole family, the officers were attempting to violate some of the most basic rights protected by the U.S. Constitution and tribal law. But this family knew the law. They stood their ground calmly and refused to be bullied into giving up their rights. In the end, the family's confidence and knowledge of the law stopped the officers from crossing a line they had no legal right to cross.